animal life. We find different types of animals around us. Let us learn about the diversity of animal life. 12 lakh species of living animals have been catalogued by biologists so far. Carolus Linnaeus listed 4,200 species of animals in his book Systema Naturae. Phylum Arthropoda contains the largest number of animal species. Early animal characteristics led to the development of the body cavity in mesoderm. Bee hummingbird is the smallest warm-blooded animal in the world. Permian reptiles were the first to possess eardrums. The creatures that possess specialized nerve cells are coelentrates. A mayfly has a lifespan of 24 hours.